It's the end of the week.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I am trying something new, and you guys know I've been doing this for a while now, but this is a first and you're gonna want to stick around for this. Today's hair sponsor is Hermosa hair. I have worked with them many times on my channel. What is this wig? What makes it new? What makes it a first? Well, this is actually a 4C kinky curly edges wig. I know you guys have seen this going around. I personally have been terrified to try one of these wigs, and you know, this year I said to myself, I'm going to be trying new things. You guys might have heard this already in some of my past videos. I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone and try things that I never thought would work for me. Personally, for me, I relax my natural hair, so I don't usually go for the rough 4C edges look. This particular wig has been trending for a while now, and I said, no thank you ma'am. This is the longest intro, but what I have installed today is a 24-inch 5x5 HD closure wig. This wig has the 4C edges, you know, the kinky edges. It's also 220% density. It is a black and blonde highlight wig.
But I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be.
Hey y'all, so I finally got one of these shears. You know, the ones with the zigzag. Why do they have to be so big? I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I did try it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace with this. Let me see what all the fuss is about. So I cut off the lace already. I am gonna spray a bit of lace tint just along the front of it.
I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location.
I'm gonna use a dye pen to hide these little things here. I'm gonna go in with just the regular ebon.
Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better.
So with these baby hairs, because they are, you know, the 4C edges, I'm not trying to define it too much. I'm trying to keep it just like messy because I want it to look more natural in a sense.
Days when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
Okay, so this is how it looks, just kind of natural. So I saturated the wig off camera with some water. I thought I was recording, but I was not. And then I went in with some Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coil. I'm actually going in with a pretty generous amount.
Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. 'Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? 'Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
It is a beautiful highlight wig, like wow, get into it. This wig is very intimidating, I'm gonna be honest. When you get it out of the package and you see the edges and you see the different hair textures, your mind goes crazy and thinks, oh my goodness, what is that? But when you put it on and you style it, it somehow blends, and it somehow like just kind of just doesn't even really look like 4C edges anymore. So what I did for this wig off camera is bleach the knots prior to install, and then I just installed her. But today I decided to go for the just in your face, because you know the 4C edges need some love and attention. Now the density is where it's at. It is a beautiful wig. The texture of this hair is definitely more in the kinky side for me. A wig that you're going to need to condition or put products in it if you want it to be defined. The 5x5 parting space is really big. It is huge. It goes from here to here. Did just a few baby hairs pressed down and left the rest. What I did do is I went in with my hot comb around this part here, and I didn't want the two textures to just be too crazy, but I didn't really apply heat or anything to this part. I think it's cute. I think the density is very full and it turned out really well. I love it. It's a really beautiful wig for the summer, and just a little bit of blonde streaks and highlights. I love it. I love that they're toned pretty ashy. They're not like the really gold highlights. They're more of like ashy blonde. Let me know what you guys think of this wig and this install. It was super easy. It's definitely beginner friendly, and it looks so beautiful when you part it down the middle, but you can do a lot of different styles to it. This is a great introduction for me for the 4C edges. Natural, but still some texture here. And I didn't pluck this unit because the hairline comes really prepped. It can get even bigger, you guys. I think it turned out really nicely, and let me know which style you prefer. Do you prefer the tossed over style, or do you prefer it down the middle? I think it looks more natural down the middle. Knots are very small in this unit, so regardless, you can put it on and you can just head out the door, and it gives it natural. Like, I don't know anyone that would be able to tell that this isn't someone's hair, so there's that. Yeah, those are my final thoughts about this wig. If you want to find this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information to Hermosa hair in the description box below. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be down there as well, so check it out before you go. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you think I did a good job. If this is something that you might wear yourself or you've been curious about, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, bye. Is me, or is it giving Scary Spice from Spice Girls? Am I aging myself? But like, I just remember growing up and this is what she looked like.
And it's hard, baby, 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight.